Right, okay, so in this video we're going to look at strategic indicators and we're going to look at any potential gaps on your strategic indicator page. So we're going to start with custom report. That's in strategic. I'm going to build a custom report. Now I'm going to do it at A level, but you can do it any qualification type. So I'm going to click A level, and what's going to come up are all my pages from my report. So let's start with the strategic overview. Now when you click that page, you can get the option to put a filter on. There are 3 filters built in: gender, ethnicity, disadvantage, but we will be introducing custom filters and you will be able to filter by those. I'm going to click male and female, and I'm going to keep this 4-year exam grade set. It could be monitoring, it could be any 4 grade sets. This is just my 4-year exam trend. Create the report. Now what comes up is you're going to get a strategic report that's sorted by male and female. Okay, so I can view these side by side. So I've got female here and male here. So what I'm really looking at is potentially are there any gaps between my quality indicator at A level, that's the biggie, and looking here, there's a gap of 0.03 between the two of them. So in fact, actually the boys, you might have an issue there with the overall quality of a provision for your boys in terms of the progress that they're making. I'm going to add a couple more report pages here, still at A level. I'm going to choose the banded by ability, so select that, same 4 grade points, and I'm going to put male and female on again. So just create that and add that into the page. At A level, you're really looking at this middle table here, which is the UCAS points per subject. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pop these two next to each other again. By the way, you can use that link button to link these together. So middle table, points per subject. Now look, in this report, I can see that the higher prior attaining girls at GCSE are actually not doing as well as the higher prior attaining boys. So, you know, I might have an issue, and I might have to look at those girls at at GCSE who are getting those top grades at GCSE. It's not been a terribly crucial trend going forward. It's not jumping out as a trend, so it might just be that 1-year group, but it's worth just having a look just to see at that. Last page that I probably put into this report, A level, is the subject value added overview. So that's all your subject value added grades. Again, pop a gender filter on, create that report, and view them side by side. And then what you can do there is you can see if there are any gender trends across each of your subjects as well. And if you look at, for example, chemistry, the girls are actually not performing as well as the boys in chemistry. That hasn't been a trend. So again, it might just be this year. But can you see the importance, hopefully, of looking back over that 4-year trend in each of those subjects and actually identifying any patterns with any of the filters that you've added. This is a gender filter. You can do it with any of your standard or custom filters. Just a note, that button there will allow you then to print that and have that as a PDF document in front of you at an SLT meeting.